Hi, everybody. This is Josette with Global Awareness 101. I'm back and I have 3 brand new how-to videos that I want to share with you. And I'm going to be using this intro for all 3 videos related to car trim. Now wait, before you fast forward, I have a very important message that you need to listen to, especially my 3G Eclipse family around the world. I promise this message will benefit you. I'm the original owner of my 2002 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS. My car only has 99,000 miles on it. When I bought my car, she looked so beautiful and exotic. I named her Layla. Yes, I name my things, and I name my plants, and I name my trees. So, back to the story. I've owned my car now for 17 years. So naturally, the trim on the car is expected to wear out. And for my car, it really started to wear out 3 years ago. And I would casually ask around, and I would get brushed off by mechanics, auto parts stores, and even body shops, if you can believe that. This year, the trim looked so bad. I was determined to make my car look beautiful again. This past November, for my birthday present, I decided to get this problem fixed. So I visited 3 body shops, 2 of which told me there was no way the rear hatch window trim could be replaced because it was attached to the glass. The 3rd body shop told me that they could replace the rear hatch window trim for $150. As for the rest of the 6 pieces of trim that I show you how to remove and replace in my videos, they all literally brushed me off as if I was asking for the impossible. It made no sense to me, but I refused to give up. So for about a month, I kept visualizing my car being fully restored, and I kept thanking God that it was already done. And of course, I was asking God for guidance because I have no clue. So then on December 8th, I woke up with the idea of going to a junkyard. Now, mind you, I've never been to a junkyard before. I checked online and saw that there was a pick-apart place by my house. I then proceeded to check their vehicle inventory online, and to my excitement, there were 2 3G Eclipses on the lot. On December 10th, I built up the courage to visit the pick-apart place by my house. I took my mom with me on this adventure. I'm so glad I took my mom because she literally served as my bodyguard at the junkyard. And to all the girls listening to this, I highly recommend you use the buddy system. I don't care how tough you think you are, it is not safe for you to be alone inside or outside of the junkyard. Now I'm going to help you prepare for your trip to the junkyard. It's going to cost you $3 cash to get in per person. They do accept credit cards to buy the parts that you pulled. And most importantly, you do need to take your own tools with you. I'll leave a list of the basic tools you'll need to take down in the description box below. This was such an amazing experience for me. I no longer felt helpless and dependent on others who kept telling me, no, this couldn't be done. I was able to use the cars in the junkyard to help me figure out how to remove the trim on the cars. Where there is a will, there is a way. Nothing is impossible for those who believe. You just have to set your mind to it. I bought all 7 pieces of car trim at the junkyard for $37.90. And that's with tax included. I saved myself hundreds of dollars on the parts alone. I can't even imagine what the body shops would charge me for the cost of labor. And the icing on the cake was that the junkyard allows us to work on our cars in their parking lot. The price of admission is good for all day, so you can go in, pull and buy a few parts, replace them on your car, go back in, pull and buy some more parts. And we can use their garbage to throw away the old parts we just replaced. I literally gave my car a facelift in the Pick Apart parking lot, and my car was totally rejuvenated. I drove home feeling so satisfied for the work that I did, and that I found the courage to teach myself how to get the job done, even though I was a nervous wreck. Knowledge is power, my friends, but knowledge applied and shared is powerful. What took years of rejection, I was able to solve with much prayer and sheer willpower within a week. I hope my how-to videos inspire you to do the same. If I can do this, so can you. And I had no prior knowledge or experience. At least you have my videos to walk you through the process and give you a visual of the area that you're working on. It broke my heart to see 3G Eclipses in good condition being junked because they didn't know the true value of the car, and or body shops were charging an outrageous amount of money for the cost of labor. I encourage my 3G Eclipse family around the world to start picking parts at their local junkyard and resell them on eBay for a profit. It would be a good side business for you and a win-win situation for both you and other 3G Eclipse owners around the world. I say this because after a month, the cars get crushed and those good conditioned OEM parts that were not picked are gone forever. Let me give you a visual. While I was picking the parts off of a car in the junkyard, I felt like I was in a scene from Steven Spielberg's AI movie. Seriously. You need to know that 3G Eclipse OEM parts are slowly being discontinued. Now, I'm not saying that aftermarket parts are bad, they're not. But parts like our 3G Eclipse trim has to be OEM in order to maintain the integrity of the car. Please do yourselves a favor and ignore people who say the Eclipse is for teenagers. That's a bunch of malarkey. I just turned 49 years old, and I'm a proud owner of my 3G Eclipse. Even if I bought a new car, I would keep this one. And for the record, Eclipse owners worldwide are mostly older. If you don't believe me, you can watch videos of people of all ages attending the Mitsubishi Owners Day event that is held annually around the world. Plus, teenagers can't afford $25,000 plus 3 to 5 years of interest for a new Eclipse car. I have no doubt people said the same about the classic Ford Mustang. Do a search online and type classic Ford Mustang for sale and get ready to be mind blown by how much one in excellent, even good condition are worth. Well, I have news for you. That will be our Eclipse car down the road. I'll leave you with this last bit of advice and encouragement. Listen, the price of our 3G Eclipse is based on supply and demand. The price will increase over time as supply continues to go down because they don't make our cars anymore. And it goes without saying that there will always be demand for our cars because it is a good-looking car. Simply replacing the trim on your car will substantially increase its value, and it will make your car look gorgeous again. So take pride in ownership. Take pride in the work that you do on your car. So now that I've shown you all how to replace the trim on your car, I better not see any worn out 3G Eclipses on the road. But if I do, I'll refer them to my videos, and I hope that you do too. Help another 3G Eclipse owner out. I wish you all the best. Have fun working on your car. And I'll be back with more how-to videos. So I need to replace this. And here is the one I just purchased from the junkyard. You see these clips? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is missing, it broke. 8, 9 clips total. So I'm gonna pop mine out right now and show you how it's done, okay? Okay everyone, I'm gonna start popping this old one out. So there's a clip right here, so I have to make sure I get in to pop it out. So you just have to get in there, move it, glide it in, and then pop it. Pop it, get it low enough, and then pop it out. But don't break the glass. You don't want to break, be careful not to break the glass. Oh, I did it. I popped it out. Okay, so I told you there's one here. They're spaced apart like maybe 4 or 5 inches. But I have a friend here I met at the junkyard who helped me pop this out, and I just love him for this, for helping me. Okay, so this is one clip. Now I'm going to slide it over and then just pop it through.
Pull up on the
Oh, pull up. Okay, I'm going to pull up here where the first clip is. Okay. Then the next one. So let me show you. I'm going to move the camera close. Okay, you see the clips? Look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to glide it over and pop out the other one. Let's see, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see. That's not really good. Okay, so why isn't it working? Okay. Second one. What?
Yeah, there you go. Just pull up slightly.
Oh God. Okay. Okay, the clip is right there. Why won't it budge? Okay. Okay. So there's little holes in there. So you have to pop it out of the hole. So, okay, I'm gonna glide this down. Okay, this is, so it should be here. Okay, so you pop it out of the hole. Ah, there you go. Okay, pop it out. And then now, ta-da! It's off, you guys. I did it. Thanks to my new friend who taught me how to do this, and I'm here videotaping this for you. Okay, looks like this piece was stuck in there. So now I'm going to put the new one in, and I just want to show you the holes. You see the holes? So the clips go into that hole and you're done. That's how you replace the rear hatchback window molding for a 2002 Mitsubishi Eclipse car. But actually this would apply to all from 2000 to 2005 models. Okay, anyway, I'll show you the after. So here's the ugly one. Here's the ugly one, and this is the new one that I bought at the junkyard for like $3. So go to a junkyard and pay $3, or you can go online and pay like 20 bucks, but it's a piece of cake. I'll show you the after, the job after I'm done. Hi everybody, I'm back. So I just want to show you, hold on. Oops, that's my mom. Sorry. Okay, I just want to show you, I'm going to put these in the holes that you see. the clips. And if you're missing clips or you broke them while you were taking them off the used car at the junkyard, you can replace them with your clips. I just did that with one of the clips that was missing, and I put one of my clips in here. And then I'm going to keep some clips for future, if I ever have to replace it again. I have clips saved up. So let me start popping them in. It's really easy. So I'm trying to hold my camera so you can see the hole. So I'm just going to pop it in. Okay, let me see. So I think I did it, and then I'm just going to keep doing that. There's 9 total. Was it 9?
6.
No, I think it was 9. I think there's 9.
Yeah, 9.
There's 9 total clips. So I'm just going to start popping the clips into the hole, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, everybody, it's the finished job. As you can see, I had little help from my new friend here at the junkyard, but just line up the clips to the holes and just start pushing them in, locking them back into place. And look how much nicer this looks. It looks so pretty. So save yourself some time and just go to a junkyard, spend a couple dollars. And it's easy. You could do this yourself. I just learned how to do it, and I'm hoping this video will help you do it yourself and spend a few dollars for this part and make your car look brand new again. So this is Josette signing off, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Okay, so here I cleaned her up. I cleaned the new part that I installed up, the rear hatch. Oh, what is this called again? It's the rear hatch molding, window molding or trim. This is the window hatch. I cleaned it up, and look how beautiful it looks. It looks brand new again for a couple dollars. And it was an easy piece of cake. All you need is a flathead. This is a flathead screwdriver, right?
Yeah.
Okay, flathead screwdriver to pop it out, and voila. Anywho, I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and the advice helpful. See you guys soon. Bye. Hi everybody, I just wanted to quickly show you what items and tools you'll be needing to take to the junkyard with you. You'll be needing to take a bag to carry your tools in. I'm using an insulated lunch bag that I had handy, Protectant Wipes to wipe down the parts that you've pulled from the junk car, paper towels, a cloth, a towel, small towel, star screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 10mm socket for sure, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and then I'm using these little beauty scissors to be able to pry open these like really tight areas, flashlight, and then I just took some extra size sockets in case I needed them, and some wrenches, different size wrenches, and I put them in little plastic baggies, and that's it. And I wanted to introduce you to my garden gnome. I named him Jake, and I hope you have fun working on your car, and I hope you found my videos helpful. Have a great time, everybody. Bye.